अब सवाल ये है कि जब वो सीटें नहीं मिलेंगी, क्योंकि 2 या 3 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं और एसआईसी नहीं है अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, तो वो कहाँ जाएंगी? So the question really is the principle of proportional representation a higher principle and leaving the seats unrepresented a lower principle, या नहीं? आपके मुताबिक दोनों एक प्रिंसिपल है, फिर रिकंसाइल कैसे करते हैं?
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल में your lordships would have to find a mechanism about how to fill those seats. अगर
आपके ख्याल में क्या
आप
है?
बताएं ना।
मैं सिर्फ एक बात कह दूं।
आप प्लीज इसको प्लीज कंक्लूड करें, फिर अगले पे जाएं जी।
Sir,
I do with the unrepresented seats.
Sir, I think the answer lies in the words "in accordance with law." Now, law to me here both would include statutory law as well as judicial directions by the court. This is a legal vacuum which your lordships are faced with.
फैसल साहब, आप इधर उधर जा रहे हैं. Simple question: if you're not a political party, where will the reserve seats go which are left outside the proportional representation? अगर बच जाती हैं, कहाँ जाएंगी?
They will go, then your lordship will see who are these independents.
फिर एक बात यहाँ पर इसी क्वेश्चन में कि अगर 10 लोग आपको ज्वाइन नहीं करते इन्हीं लोगों में से, क्या उनके लिए कोई सीट फिर रह जाएगी जो प्रोपोर्शनेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन आप इंटरप्रेट कर रहे हैं?
There is an equitable doctrine called tracing. Tracing. That doctrine is that if someone is entitled, I mean, I'm using maybe an analogy here, is entitled to some funds or an asset, and that asset is shifting and becoming part of another asset or becoming part of a larger whole and so on. The equitable doctrine of tracing allows, as the name suggests, for that fund to be traced and located and identified and preserved. So it seems to me, if one can draw an analogy, and analogies have to be drawn very carefully, especially from equity to the constitution. But here there is an equitable issue involved. What is the equity behind paragraph D in saying that there is the basic constitutional principle of pro rata division? So maybe if it is accepted that PTI, notwithstanding they didn't get an election symbol are a political party and therefore entitled as a political party within the 4 corners of this paragraph to those seats proportionally, then it seems to me that maybe we are focusing too much on issues of form and procedure. Maybe those seats can be, if I may now use the analogy, traced into wherever those PTI candidates are, returned candidates are going. And if they are ending up behind you for reasons of whatever, then maybe they can go to you. As a matter of form, as a matter of substance, once we have identified that here is a political party entitled to those seats, where is that political party? Is it before us? Is it not before us? Well, of course, these are issues of procedure. But can procedure trump the Constitution, or are we allowed to trace those members? And it's not too difficult to trace because everyone says that they are now standing behind this whatever it's called. What are you called? Sunni Ittihad Council. My apologies. So there you have it. That's maybe.
So let me give a short answer.
देखिए इसमें ये भी देख ले कि सलमान अकरम रजा साहब तो आपको मानते ही नहीं है। वो कहते जी मैं खुद उस पार्टी का हूँ, मुझे आप क्यों इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर करते? तो वो तो आपको मान ही नहीं रहे। हमारे सामने वो कैंडिडेट्स भी नहीं है जो कि आपके साथ शामिल हुए। सर हमें क्या पता, वो तो नहीं मानते आपको।
सर मान लिया, आज सुबह मान लिया।